Hey everyone. Today, we're clearing up a common confusion in macroeconomics: GDP at market price versus GDP at factor cost. Let's start with the basics. First, we will understand GDP at market price. Think about when you buy groceries or a new phone. The price you pay already includes indirect taxes like GST. So, GDP at market price is simply the value of all final goods and services at the prices buyers actually pay. But here's the catch: if something is cheaper because of government help, like food subsidies, fertilizer support, or fuel subsidies, those subsidies are excluded, because buyers don't pay that portion. Next, we will see GDP at factor cost. Now, instead of looking from the buyer's point of view, imagine we're standing in the producer's shoes. Factor cost measures the income actually earned by workers, landowners, businesses, and capital. To get GDP at factor cost, we subtract indirect taxes, since that money goes to the government, not producers, and we add subsidies, because that extra money boosts the producer's earnings. Now, let's connect the two concepts. The relationship is GDP at market price equals GDP at factor price plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. Or the reverse. GDP at factor price equals GDP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. This formula shows exactly how taxes and subsidies link the buyer's view to the producer's income. Let's look at an example. Suppose GDP at factor cost is Rs 1,000. Indirect taxes like GST is Rs 200. And subsidies like fertilizer support are Rs 50. Using our formula, GDP at market price equals 1,000 plus 200 minus 50 equals Rs 1,150. So, when we include taxes and remove subsidies, GDP at market price becomes larger than GDP at factor cost. Finally, let's summarize. GDP at market price reflects what buyers pay, and GDP at factor cost reflects what producers earn. Both show the same economy, just from different angles. Use GDP-MP when comparing market values across countries or over time, and GDP-FC when focusing on producer income. Two perspectives, one economy.